Double Radius is a value-added reseller and distributor for 40 some odd manufacturers in the space. Primarily focused on the fixed wireless internet service provider space, but also, again, we do a lot of enterprise business and things like that. So we are based in Charlotte, North Carolina. I mean, we service all over the U.S. We're actually growing into some more markets now in North America. Some markets in South America. We've really opened up. We've got some Spanish-speaking reps now. Just really trying to get in a lot of areas. We service a lot of the big brands everyone's familiar with, but I think a little bit about kind of what makes us different, what makes us special is we do a lot of our own installation work. A lot of what we offer is the expertise and engineering work, and then the technical support and the back office support and stuff like that, because we're out there maving the stuff. We know what it takes to fly a dish. We know what it takes to get things aligned. We know what it takes to run your fiber and everything else. We understand where things come from a pain point perspective, and also making sure that you do a quality job in the installation and making sure that the customer gets an end result that's good, not only the day of turnover, but also 1, 3, 5, 10 years down the road. When we're offering your solutions, it's very clear, hey, you've got these problems, here are your solutions, A, B, C, D. And something that's easy to convey the easy use to the customer and they can quickly understand it at a really good price point, just makes it easy for them to pick up and run with it and make their jobs go better. Like, if you're not using a quality cable, you're not going to get the RF results you expect. If you're not doing things like, your cold shrink and stuff, shrinking your connectors for waterproofing and stuff. Things like that. Even labeling, let's say we got a big job and we're doing a lot of different links. We might have multiple links up one tower and they're all shooting A, B, C, D directions and stuff like that. And even something as simple as some of your labeling solutions and stuff like that means that I can be more organized as the stuff comes down the tower, which just makes it easier for turn up, installation, long-term support. And you've got a customer say you got to troubleshoot a link, right? It's really easy to say, look at North Link A. Unplug that connector, plug it back in, or check this radio, check for lights to help with troubleshooting and stuff. So, a big part of the products that you guys offer, really help focus on making a quality installation and make it something that's going to be viable and easy to support over the years.